Hello guys, welcome to my channel today, and in today's tutorial I'll be walking you through step by step on how to off your active status on Facebook, so no one will know when you are active on Facebook or not for some security reasons. Please, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe to this channel if you like these videos, and share this video. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your Facebook app. Then after entering your Facebook app, the next thing you have to do is to go to this three line where this arrow is pointing at right now. You tap on it, then you go to settings, go to your Facebook settings. That's where we'll be using for now. Then click on settings where the arrow is pointing at, for those who don't know what is setting on Facebook. Then click on setting, then scroll down. You will see where they wrote active status, the area where this arrow is pointing at right now. So once you click on it, then you turn it off. Now the active status is on, then you turn it off. Once you turn it off, that green line will change. Just click on turn off. Let's just allow it to. I don't know what is happening to it right now. Okay, it is turned off now. That's how to show. No one will know when you're active on Facebook or not. So that is how to turn off your active status on Facebook. Please, if you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe to this channel. That is the only way you can appreciate me in this video. And make sure you share these videos to your friends and families and loved ones. See you in my next video. Bye.